Working the Sales Cockpit in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the readiness score for every stage of an order, how to read it at a glance, and how each score takes you straight to the records behind it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales Cockpit from your dashboard. This is your Sales Cockpit, one place to check the health of every order, from the moment it's placed to the moment it's paid. Across the top is a readiness score for each stage: accounts, orders, allocations, deliveries, payments, returns, and forecast. Green means that stage is clean. Yellow or red means something needs you. Click any score, and I take you straight to the records behind it. Click Payments, and you'll see every invoice that's overdue. Click Allocation, and you'll see orders where demand is outrunning stock. Start here every morning. It tells you where to spend your first hour instead of making you guess. That's the whole point. The work finds you.